This is Lou, and you may have seen this Mark III bobbing around on TikTok.
A spoiler, it's my 15-year-old work van. In 5 minutes before me, Pepe's arrives. Let's put some carpets in the 15-year-old work van. Let's change the rear lights on my 15-year-old work van. I've made a purchase for the 15-year-old work van. Let's get a new bumper put on my caddy van. Let's upgrade the headlights on my 15-year-old work van. Let's fit some new seats to my 15-year-old work van.
But Lou is in the middle of a full build conversion with this, aren't you? And I've seen you taking apart a Touran pretty much, haven't you?
So I've had this like 4 years now.
Really? I thought it was something that you literally just bought.
So when I got my dog, I've got a German Shepherd.
Right.
I thought, you know what, I need a van as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I had a nice company car in that, and I was like, I can't have her in that. So then obviously I had this, and I've not done any modifications to it whatsoever, like literally nothing. It was still on Steelies, everything. So about last year now, I started just doing bits here and there. I went to Tatton Park and obviously saw all the vans.
Oh right, did you? Yeah. I was on that stand that year. Yeah.
I go there every year.
Right, sweet.
My whole family's like Volkswagen mad.
Right, sweet.
My mum's had a Mark 1 GTI.
Perfect. My dream car.
My uncle's Beetles. My granddad's got a 70s Beetle that he's currently restoring. So yeah, it was just a van to me at that point. But then obviously I saw like all the crap that you can do to it, and I thought, I'll have a shot at it. So
sweet.
Started off. I put Apple CarPlay in it about.
So is that the first mod that you did? Is the Apple CarPlay?
About 10 months ago.
Is that right? Have a get in it, Lou? Yeah, and have a sit in. I like this flat bottom steering wheel, you see, straight away. That's well nice. That. Was that free?
My mate bought it for his caddy, and he left the country, so he was like, I've got a GTI steering wheel there.
No way.
Hence why it's got floppy paddles.
Floppy paddles, yeah. So those are the Touran door cards as well that you've taken off?
Yeah, so Touran door cards, obviously you have to just make a little cut in the top there to make them fit. It's not the cleanest, obviously everything's, like I say, a work in progress, but I saw this Touran parts up and I was like, I'm going to have that because it was a black one.
Yeah, yeah.
And obviously I needed the black front bumper for this, I needed everything, and I was like, you know what, I'll just go up to him. It was at a car wash. I said, what are you doing with that, pal? He was like, oh, it's for sale. I said, how much? He goes, 1,500 quid. I said, 1,500 quid for that? I said, it's not been MOT for 6 months. Anyway, I got it for 290 quid. Got it picked up that day, took it home, and literally that's the best thing I ever bought, because I got front bumper off it, headlights off it, door cards off it, seats out of it, version out of it, dashboard.
So you got all the seats, yeah.
I literally got everything out of it. It was the best 290 quid I ever spent. Obviously the dashboard's a bit ruined, so obviously I'm no mechanic, so when I took it out the complete wrong way and end up putting my fist through that. Just because I got a bit annoyed at it. So I have bought another Touran.
Right.
For all the,
a full other Touran?
Yeah, another Touran. I only get 500 quid for that. So I'm £290 deep now. There's a guy up in Cumbria who I bought those alloys off. So my mate works up in Cumbria as well. So I said to him, yeah, will you go pick up these alloys for me? So I didn't even have to drive up and get them and waste fuel. I paid 200 quid for them with tyres. The tyres are mint on them. The wheels are a bit shot, but what is it, 50 quid to refurb?
Well, exactly, mate. I like these. Got the Mark IV rear lights.
Guess how much I paid for them?
Don't even sicken me on this one now. Go on.
55 quid. Cheap, that, isn't it?
That is ridiculous. I paid 180. To be fair, mine were the smoked ones, so I'll but still, 180. 180. Supplied, fitted and coded I paid for mine, so 50 quid.
Yeah, I went and picked them up myself. They were up in Blackpool.
I seen your tinting.
Yeah.
You're taking off the old tint, so that's looking fresh now.
Yeah. Midnight Style in Failsworth, they did the tints for me. Obviously the perks of doing like social media and stuff, because like I say, I've got a bit of a platform now. I'm at, like, I think it's like 45k or something.
Right, that's amazing. So
like, it's one of those where I do get things for promo. Don't get me wrong, I'm not one of them where if I'm not going to take the mick and like thingy. But if someone wants to tint the windows, and it's probably worth a lot more than 80 quid to him for me for a shout out and 3 videos.
Of course it is, yeah, of course it is.
In fact, that was the first ever modification I did. My dad had one sitting around, so actually that was the first thing I ever did. I threw it on there. So that'll stay with the van. That was well expensive. That was like 22 quid.
Yeah, they're not cheap, are they? They're not cheap.
And I dented it there, getting rid of the whole thing, but it needs a new set of doors. It's all caved in there a bit. R32 rear bumper.
I was going to say rear bumper's smart.
Yeah, so the guy had it up for 150 quid on eBay. I offered him 110 and went and picked it up from Bedford.
Oh yeah. So, you probably spent more in fuel than you have on all parts, haven't you?
Yeah. That's it. I love a bargain though.
Yeah, mate, I
can't. It just shows, like you say, like if I tallied it up, I've spent probably barely anything on this.
Yeah.
But like I say, it's the best way. Barn door spoilers.
Yeah.
They were say I bought them, they were off eBay, but they're not that good, to be fair.
Are they not? Because I've just ordered some of these.
As you can see, they dip down there.
Yeah.
Anton actually sells his own ones, and
Does he?
they're miles better because you just don't get that dip there.
Yeah.
And it's, don't get me wrong, I'm not bothered, but if you are that sort
For
of
the-
person,
yeah,
it
for
has
the-
to be perfect. You just got to buy right with them because they're not the best.
I've just ordered some of them as well, so this is information I could have done with
Yeah.
2 days ago.
I'm holding out on side rail covers for now because it's a twin slider. They're the most expensive bit. They're like 90 quid a piece.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? Yeah.
180 quid. Caddy Life mirrors.
Yep, I've got that upgrade coming on mine.
Yep, Caddy Life mirrors. Needs new wings.
Yep.
Obviously, as a lot of caddies do. That's a Touran Sportline
Right.
splitter. The rare as NT.
I was going to say, never seen one.
Yeah, you can barely get hold of them. This one was obviously made in a mould. It's not a genuine one.
Right.
So it has got a couple of defects. So like, as you can see, it's not
Flush
it's not
there.
100% flush. Don't get me wrong, it's pressed as much as
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
against it. But it's not 100% flush.
Yeah.
But you can't get them.
No. I don't think I've ever seen one, mate, to be fair.
And I really like the look of it.
Yeah.
I didn't want to just stick any old splitter on it, like a Temu Alibaba one.
Yeah,
I
no.
wanted it to look as good as possible.
Do you know this grill as well? I had it on mine, and I must admit, I put it on, and then I liked it, and then after a while, I didn't like it. I wanted a badge again, and I didn't do anything with it. Eventually, I just kept it, but I think the badge does make it.
I'm at that same point.
Oh, yeah.
When you debadge it, looks like a car off GTA.
I must admit, I was the same with that. One thing is with yours is that it's black as well, so it kind of does look. Mine was white, so it was white, black, white. It didn't. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think it matches either. That was just black ABS plastic.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Rear seat conversion.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got the airplane seats.
Yeah.
Oh, mate. So the kids can sit there with the juices, just chilling, driving along the motorway.
They were straight out the Touran.
Yeah, that's wicked.
Obviously, you got the carpets, which I put in.
All right, you've got the. Yeah, I need them.
With
I need
obviously
them.
the what do you call it? The underfloor stuff.
Yeah.
Or as I said, the understore flooring.
Understore floorage. Oh, and you got the pedals as well. I've seen you did that. That was part of your like cheap upgrade video, wasn't it? These Touran seats, they make a massive difference.
They're all right, aren't they?
Yeah.
Everything needs a good clean, a good wetback, but I begrudge paying to get it cleaned until it's all.
Till it's all done. Yeah, I know the feeling, mate. I know the feeling. Those carpets they are nice. I need some of them.
They need carpet out the back.
Yeah.
Lowering. I bought lowering springs.
Have you bought the springs? Yeah, because that'll make a mill.
Not springs. Sorry, I bought coilovers.
Coilovers.
And then obviously the axle flip kit.
Makes a massive difference.
It needs a load of damage sorting out.
Yeah,
so I'll get a few things smart repaired and that. But at the end of the day, it's a 15-year-old van still. Like I'm looking at it like, oh yeah, it needs to be perfect, but there's not many perfect 15-year-old cars.
No, there isn't. No, people like seeing stuff like this because, like I say, it's the imagination that goes into it, the bargain hunting.
It shows it's possible as well.
Yeah,
doesn't it? Like
anyone can do it.
Obviously, I'm at TMG pretty much every day now, so I do a lot on social media, and especially with the parts that they do. TMGvans.shop if anyone needs TMG parts or transit parts or any parts.
Any parts, yeah.
But yeah, no, it shows like say you can do it on a budget. And you
Of course.
You don't have to blow 15, 20 grand. Because where I'm at now, I spent 300 quid on the donor and Touran, which I'm taking the engine out of that, by the way, the PD 140. So that's going in this because it's a 2 litre SDI.
And that'll be is this an SDI? Is it? Yeah. So like 58 brake horsepower or something like that.
It's a painful drive.
Yeah.
So what I paid to pay £290 for that. Pretty much rinsed it for everything.
Yeah.
So you say I got headlights, seat conversion, front seats, armrest, carpets, dashboard, electric door car conversion. So I got all of that out of that. So that cost me £290.
That's
quid.
mega.
And I did most of that myself, obviously.
Yeah, I've seen the TikToks.
I had Steve and all them watching over me, and he did all like the finishing welds to it. Because at the end of the day, no one's going to want a van that I've welded a seat. But
same.
They watched it over, so it's all perfectly safe. So yeah, that cost me 290 quid. 200 quid for the wheels. A free steering wheel. Not everyone's going to have the luxury.
Yeah.
But if you look past that and you put a nice £100 steering wheel.
Yeah. Well, once again, my T6, I've got Touran steering wheel for like 80 quid or something like that. It's multifunction, but it doesn't look anything, but it's a lot nicer than the standard non-multifunction one.
This has done 145,000 miles and it's had that same steering wheel.
Yeah.
And it is one, apart from the tyres, it's one of the most friction points of the car.
Yeah. Really jealous of that.
In total, it probably stands me at, in total, the build, maybe like 800-900 quid.
That's mental.
And the van stands me at 1,500 quid, so 2.5 grand, and I've got a presentable van.
Yeah.
It's all right. Like don't get me wrong, it's not a show winner, but lowering springs, 300 quid. So yeah, maybe 1,100 quid around that point. 1,200.
It's crazy though, isn't it? Like my caddy that I've just sold had all that done in it that I'd done and paid a lot more from that. And someone's obviously gone and bought that van for a lot more than what you've just said there.
It'll probably stand me at 5-6 grand in total. Like once I've got it to where I want
Yeah,
it to be.
with all the damage done and bits like that, painting and that.
But then it's 5-6 grand and it's a van that I've built. Part of the fun in it.
Yeah, no, I totally agree, mate. Totally agree. Totally agree. Oh, that's wicked, mate. And on TikTok, it is, go on, give us your TikTok.
Lou.patt.
Follow this build because this is where he's up to now, but you can go and watch the past videos of where he's got to this stage. And obviously moving forward, because I think everyone will be interested in seeing the engine conversion as well.
So the final plan, obviously, I think the build will be done in about a month's time or so.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to move fast with it now. But the plan is, obviously, I built up a following now. Everyone's watching the caddy build. Is to like, I don't know yet, but to give it away. But obviously I've spent money on it, so if I can pull my money out of it and just do a raffle like the
all right, okay.
The quid a ticket, 2 quid a ticket. Would you pay 2 quid a ticket?
I'd have 2 quid on it, mate.
Yeah.
I'd have 2 quid on it, 100%.
But yeah, just to raffle it off and see.
It's something nice, isn't it? Give it back to the.
If I could pull a bit of money, because what I want to do is I want to build myself up to one of Anton's vans.
Yeah.
So like, is one of one eventually. Obviously, I'm talking probably 10 years down the line here, aren't I? Because that van's.
It's unreal, isn't it? Yeah.
But yeah, to eventually get to that point. So I've got a 1,500 quid van. I've built it up. I've spent my own money on it, and if I could pull, say, a bit of money out of it to go and build another van, I've already got another van to go and do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a swamper build next.
Right. Okay.
So I've got a Mark III Maxi.
Yeah.
That I'm ready to swamper. So obviously lift it up, put the big tyres on.
Yeah.
Turn it into a day van. So that's the next sort of thing. And obviously I do this full time now. So yeah. Thinking of raffling it maybe and giving it away to a follower. An opinion off everyone quickly. Do I keep them or get rid of them?
Keep. I'll say keep. In the comments below, keep the wind deflectors or get rid of them. Yeah. Comment below. But yeah, nice one, Lou. Thanks, mate.
#kill all sidebars.